All right, up here at the local. Hold on. It's loud. I'm here up here at the local subway in Seneca, Missouri. Just got off of work, and I'm going to take a little walk around. Not much. I got to head on back because my boss is there, and he's buying me a Subway. I would go down to the creek, but it's too far. But this is the downtown Seneca, Missouri. And Subway. Lovely 70 degrees today and sunny. There's our van right there. Okay, I know this is a short video, but it is what it is. Little pizza place. Okay, guys, thank you much.